In this video, I'll show you how to make a creative resume in Microsoft Word for better job opportunities. Let's get started. First, go to the Layout tab. Set the page size to A4 and adjust the margins to narrow. Then, enable alignment guides to help with precise object placement. Now, go to the Design tab and change the font to Candara for a clean, modern look. Next, we'll create the sidebar. Go to the Insert tab, then select Shapes and choose Rectangle. Draw it and set its size to 11.69 by 3. Remove the outline. Use the alignment guides for precise placement. And then change the fill color to light gray 75% darker. Now, draw a rounded rectangle shape and set its size to 2 by 2. Add your photo to it. Then go to Picture Format. Select Crop and adjust the image. Next, go to Shape Outline. Set the weight to 3 points and change the outline color to orange 80%. Align the photo to the top margin, then select the sidebar with it and align center. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for professional resume making videos and free resources. Now, let's create the contact section. First, draw a rectangle. And set its height to 0.5 and width to 2.5. Remove its outline and change the fill color to orange. Place it on the left side. Next, go to the Insert tab and click on Icons. Search for Person. Select the icon and insert it. Right-click on the icon, choose Wrap Text and select In Front of Text. Position it and set its size to 0.3. Change its color to light gray 75%. Now, draw a text box. Removing its fill and outline. Type Contact. Set the font size to 20. Make it bold. And change its color. Adjust the text box height to 0.45 for alignment. Move the text box to the edge of the icon, hold Alt key, and drag it once to the right so it snaps to the grid. Finally, select all 3 objects and align them to the middle. Excellent! Next, draw another text box. Removing its fill and outline as before. Change the text color to white and add your location here. Format the text. And ensure to remove space after paragraph from the first line. Copy the location and paste it below to add your phone number and other details. Place the text box at the bottom edge of the rectangle, hold the Alt key and drag it down once. For better alignment, use the left arrow key to adjust its position. Finally, select all objects and group them. Next, copy this section for the Skills section. Ungroup it to change the details. Select the icon, go to the Graphics Format tab, and click on Change Graphic. Search for Chart to represent our Skills section. Replace Contact with Skills. Select and remove the text from the text box below. If you're copying text from another program, right-click and paste it using the text-only option to remove any unwanted formatting. Select the text. Remove the space after the paragraph. And set line spacing to 1.15. Now, let's add bullets. We'll define new bullets for this section. Click on Font. Then change the font color to orange 80%. And click OK. Remove the indent by pressing Shift+Tab. Finally, regroup the section. Copy the Skills section as done previously to add your hobbies. Ungroup it. And change the icon to Painting to represent Hobbies. Write Hobbies. Then list your hobbies. And add bullets to it. Remove the indent. Finally, regroup it. Align this section to the bottom margin. Now, select all 4 objects and distribute them vertically. That's why we grouped these sections, to simplify the alignment process. Now that our sidebar section is complete, let's move to the right side. First, draw a text box. And remove its outline. Write your name and professional title. Next, format the text. Make your name larger and bold. To add a stylish touch, change its color. Also, increase the size of your professional title and change its color. Select both elements, go to the Home tab, and remove space after paragraph. Set the line spacing to 1.0 and align it to the margins. Copy the contact section and ungroup it. Increase the rectangle's width to the margin. And do the same for the text box. We'll follow the same process as before. Change the icon to a different person icon for the summary section. For this example, we'll use the girl icon. Write Summary. Then remove the text from the text box below. And change its color to black. Add your summary text here. And justify it for a polished look. Finally, adjust the text box size. and regroup the section. Copy the summary section. Change the icon. Search for job. Write experience. Remove the existing text and input your job details in chronological order, which means listing your jobs from the most recent to the oldest. First, add your job dates and press Tab. Write your job title. Making it larger and bold. Press Enter and then tab twice to write the job company name and address. Format it as well. Then remove space after paragraph. Below that, add your job description. Remove the italic style and align it with the job title. Again, remove the space after the paragraph. Copy the first job section and paste it below for your next job, leaving one line of space between the two sections. Add the relevant details for this position. Repeat the process for the third job. This time, we'll copy the upper part of the section because we don't need a description. Add the necessary details for this job. Finally, group the section. Copy the experience section. Change the icon. And write education. Remove unnecessary text. And ensure to remove the space after the paragraph for a consistent look. Go to Shape Format and make the text box length shorter. Add your graduation year here. Then add your degree program, followed by the university details. Next, fill in your details for the second degree program and group the section. Next, select all sections and distribute them vertically. Finally, adjust the name section for better alignment. And that's it, your resume is ready. You can download this creative resume format for free using the link in the video description. Hit the like button if this video helped you. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more resume making tutorials. Thanks for watching.